there. You're rushing. Think, Tino, think before you hit the pin.
Huh?
Think before you hit the pin. Steps. Bend a little bit. Go.
It's not perfect.
Yeah. But you're still dragging your feet. Hinge. Every time you're going to roll the ball, listen. You're not listening naman eh.
Winner table number
Every
8,
time you
time
roll
out
the ball,
please.
think
Winner
first.
table number 8, time out please.
Go. Bend a little bit. Move backward. Move backward. Listen. Just move backward. Not too much. And bend a little bit. Yeah. You wasted your ball.
Winner table number 8, time out please. Winner table number 8, time out please.
Relax. Go. Later, I will let you watch what you are doing. Backward. Relax. And think, Tino, think. Go.
Straight.
Yeah.
I'm improving attitude.
But your feet is still like that. Oh, Tino.
Is there one more shot?
Yeah.